G'day guys, Mark here, Redarc Electrical and DC Auto Fit Outs. Now we're standing here in front of the 300 series Cruiser, and as I promised earlier, dual battery system was coming and we've got it all finished up. Proper dual battery system, all hidden away under the box. I'm going to lift up the box and show you here. Just undo these clips. And there we have it, 110 amp hour battery. We've got our midi fusing mounted on the top there. If we actually have a look down through the grill, it's a little bit hard to see, but we do have the Redarc Dc Dc tied in there behind the grill to keep that nice and cool. Solar point hidden up the front here. System accommodates the factory battery and plus anything up to the typical 100 amp hour size 300 long case. So we currently have the system available to be fitted in shop. We're currently working on a DIY product, so stay tuned, won't be too long, and we'll have a DIY product that we can send to you all around Australia. Thanks for watching.